Merry Christmas everyone! Ito yung video namin nung nag-attend kami ng church service, Christmas church service at saka yung lunch fellowship kasama yung mga member, mga fellow believers namin sa Chimchachoy Bap. Merry Christmas everyone! Thank you so much for watching.